Okay, so reached plus a z, so reached to the fall z squared minus a z, reached lína fuisian minus agus plus to facail a z minus hín, right with a way. So you to z minus hín, at inside minus plus agus time is for 0. So nish tasagum gwol yeah factor ogum. The linear factor ogum said luji hín, midifa a said carni moja said moja hín. Hammer shot factorizer. Now tasum garkushan he can just in a factor hín for hín because it's impossible. So j chaima usage. Heighten minus b formula usage. Because reach it's complex roots. Okay? So reach usage minus b formula. So to said cosmla minus b, so she minus hín plus or minus square root. Hín carni here minus keher for hín and ligishan da for hín. Okay? So to said cosmla nush luji hín plus or minus square root. Now Muhammad has a short stress just my file. Then my file hín luji keher so shin luji 3. Okay, so it's minus 3. Hence it's a complex root. Because nihigla square root alda minus square root alda minus 3. Okay, illigish gonna do. Okay, which is okay again. Now, reached, so figure there's any complex solution should be given in the form a plus bi, where I squared is equal to minus 1. Okay, now, la sinna chrinu, cinna jigum sinna chrinu na sinnid. So, my disha is said to the goal of it cosmla luji hín plus square root minus 3 illigish gonna da. There's your first complex root. I guess no luji hín minus square root luji 3 is gonna da. Okay, now ni higlenye square root. Oh yeah, go with your now my this is just square root luji 3 share the calculator just to go L. Math error because it's an 9. It's a complex root. Okay, so reached you look at the screen so the said cosmate now there's I give your answer in the form a plus bi. So reached kaimachin at nashkuji I. Now j square root of minus 3. J square root of 3. So reached wrote the Golianuchan Connie Camne te my unit square root of minus 9 j shan. Then you be j square root of minus 9. Hello? It's 3i. Square root the negative square root of any negative number is an imaginary number. So reached screw to Marshaha luji hín is gonna da plus square root 3 is gonna da I. Agus sinna naskuji complex number. It's 3i is gonna da. No, you to luji hín is gonna da minus square root 3 is gonna da I. Agus sinna yeah complex root in terms of A equals B. The ancient rubbing is smoky Aldiv. Yes? Forest na jacker. Forest good or my higgin tune. My higgin to catch. Test from new word, then you be some. Okay, so it is now okay head part of us to break clarity lad de Moore's theorem. We said de Moore's theorem land to solve the cubic equation of z cubed equals 1. Now it is tashi off z cubed cosma hín. Z cubed cosma or shinigan and you get away. Or to get a couple of moments less in a species. And then remember free to was you added to Moore's theorem in a scan. Could you? Can you give it? Nearly hit to the guy said, more revision. Right. Tashi go near the graph. Right? Tashi go near the graph to heen a boiling shot. Shin heen. So we're just going to work in success. Shin the heen and shot. So next to me add the shin screw in polar form. Okay, so to z cubed cosmla or cosmla hín, so reached bracket cos that 0 degrees plus n360 bracket plus n360 plus I sine that 0 degrees plus n360. Arís caiite screw in general polar form. Agus dredge bracket. Well, I have okay to the power of, right, so Shanisha. Now, Coimpleasc full reach the cubed. Do you enumerate the cubed? To the power of third. So, next to said codumla. Cos 360 degrees, because the n360, going to n360, plus I sine that n360, a power of a third. Okay, so Gn with the power of a third. So the said codumla, 1 to the power of third is 1. So reach the factor cos n k degrees for 120 n plus I sine n 120 degrees. Okay, now Shane screeching this in polar form that is set. Can you with the roots? Tashila n cosma 0. Like n cosma 0, you to cos 0, 0 degrees plus I sine 0 degrees, which is the cosma heat. Okay, because the cos of 0, cosma 0, or cosma heat to sine the 0, cosma 0. So it's 1 plus 0, which is 1. Okay, and cosma heat, we going to grow root cosma heat. Down the root, you to cos 120 degrees plus I sine 120 degrees. Reached n for heat for 120 to 120. The reached in cosma cos the 120 is minus a half plus sine the 120 is square root of 3 over 2I. Okay, agus sin a root cearna bhío chun híos ag Kenjarna. Kenjarna n cosma dó. It is to cost yeah degrees plus I sine yeah degrees, which is the cosmla minus k to 3 degrees minus square root of 3 over 2I. Full marks. Very straightforward. Okay. What's this in Eva? Oh, we should catch it. Alright, okay. What do you catch the screw? Do I know? No. But you can see, I could follow it's not a difficult, but just, I think, he had part off shift and then he's lost momentum, I think, just. Okay, right. Part journey. There's a use tomorrow to find the cubic root of the equation z cubed equals 1 in polar form. Now, what's in polar form? Yeah, Jason. Sin polar form and so sin the roots we shall work. Sin polar form, sin rectangular form. So really linear or good, I just sin screen. Cos 0 degrees plus I sine 0 degrees, cos 120, I guess cos 240. Sin A in polar form. Sin league we shall get it. But reach he got check out, sin that roots kern and jaw, a right kern the fight to he's and jaw. Your 3 roots. Was it okay? Right, part journey. We're home with the heart. These values are called cubic roots. Okay? Now, reach from your part C, part here, these values are called cubic roots of unity and are written as 1 omega agus omega squared. Now, so reach to 3 root again. Now, níl seo obrí má going ó part do really, because you're fair seo yen, but in to be yen. But reach current to seo. So reach current to near to n cosma 0. You to cos 0 degrees plus I sine 0 degrees, which is the cosma heat. So there's your 1. Darnican n cosma heat, so you to cos 120 plus I sine 120, which is the cosma lugilia plus square root of 3 over 2I, which is the cosma omega. I guess you can join n cosma do, you to cos yeah heat caraha plus I sine yeah heat caraha degrees, cosma lugilia minus square root of 3 over 2I, which is omega squared. Okay, now to get a chest branch, so lay chest branch, go on here, moja omega squared, cosma 0. So just chest branch up. So you have to here plus minus le plus square root of 3 over 2I plus minus le minus square root of 3 over 2I, I cosma 0. So you to heen minus lea, so sin minus heen, agus the rest of the fall plus square root of 3 over 2I minus square root of 3 over 2I. It reached 0, cosma 0, so therefore, so the variation ta heen plus omega squared cosma naught. So just go the subalus. Okay, part of the daw, Chespensioner's graph. Draw a unit circle on the given argand diagram to show points 1 omega agus omega squared. Now, I'll consider a unit circle. So in the unit circle, to the goal heen, luigi heen agus luigi heen and shan, chin head angle tugan. 0. So to me poorly heen, sin the head root. So shin heen, shin punch away. Call it darnican, Kate feet degrees. So raise to lat the Ellen Tosh, Bahagam Ellen Tosh good. Agus Markal, Kate feet degrees. So roughly, shin Kate feet degrees, so shin omega, and then go raised, head Karaha degrees, which is raised to the Goshi Shaska, plus 180 is 240, Tarn Lena shin, agus raised shin to omega squared. Agus shin rodis I get a funny diagram. Now, nation yen J heel super fan. Huh? That very straightforward, no? Well, I can feel it's pretty straightforward. I had a question where I argue on the 41 question, and then we make out then you get heavy want to get into the oxide to make it right. Okay. But for the you get it from the and you just put the random sample paper that you can make on a little practice, right? Right. Because show my when you reversion faster. Right. Just for my second lesson the green. Max och om this is random the 2 shatter logs. Right. Right. Shatter here question doing that. Are these something random? Right now difference. Right. And a complex number written in polar form is given by z equals 2 cos pi over 6 plus I sin pi over 6. Now pi over 6 is to J. 30 degrees from radians. The pi is 180 round rotation from okay. Now, find the modulus of a set. How do you find the modulus of a set? And the argument of the set. Right, so listen to the end if you have it in. Times polar form R of D. Rectangular form, right? So it's possible that R a polar form with the rectangular form. The only way take that A rather to get in to get in punch it a hat into the graph. Use a compass and a protractor plotted on the argand diagram. So R now fit in it V separation the end. A adequately rectangular form. The only way, not the polar form here of it, take the adequately rectangular form now the graph ahead and talk the Appleton modulus, the set of which is the rate, the distance modulus, the distance from the center point to the point. Okay, so distance from where point to one point to Gugine point. So I'm afraid Charlotte. So Tashi off you do to box it. Well, to box it he's in short Mr. Skolsky. Okay. Right, so very much Short the yeah, second. Steve my short Steve Reese. Right. So toss the offla to said cosmla do bracket cos pi is going to she plus I sine pi is going to she. Okay, so to said cosmla. So just make this in the mo. So shin do bracket j cos 30 degrees. So this course cos 30 degrees to the calculator, or else course cos pi over 6 in radians. J cos 30 square root 3 over 2. So square root 3 over 2 plus j sine the 30 cos the 30 square root 3 over 2. J sine the 30. Oh yeah, Coimpleasc. So yeah I. Right? Now, my main decision for do to make square root 3 plus I. So next test going to go to set this in rectangular form because my square root 3 plus I. Now, goes time sketch the show. Come you got. Right? So to make goal to I, so it's just kind of win. I guess to make goal non square root 3. So the real square root 3. So mark it as the graph and show. So the shin square root 3, I guess the show cosmla heen. I guess shin the said and show. Now this is a rough sketch. You may add the show hand shag before. Because you're square root 3. 1 point rodnat. So raise to the goal trasna 1 point rodnat is square root 3. So let's now there's a use a protractor so to grind book maths la jenny. Okay? Now raise shin the distance are and show. So raise to the right angle triangle. J tugger. So raise to right angle triangle again 90 degrees. So test going ocean test go ocean heen test go ocean square root 3 to make quarted ellen is the incha I guess to make quartu if fad r. So shin to yola. Can do you majar? To r cosmla do. Yes, to r cosmla do, but it is there's no actually going r cosmla do. It is can do you can to r squared cosmla heen squared plus square root 3 squared. So to r squared cosmla k r cosmla do. So that's going to go me car this diagram. You can do. So to r cosmla do. Now rud the enitus and shen. We're to left rud the enitus and we're to left compass it is tiny to circle egg do. Right? And then you look at an angle of Brima. Can the Brima an angle? It is tan. So test is called tan done ellen cosma heen is square root 3. Okay, so the tan ellen cosma inverse tan that heen is square root 3. So then ellen cosma I think 60 be just that in the check yeah. Inverse tan that 1 over square root 3. We said they go tablet. Huh? Try came. Right. That's your argument, yes. That's your argument. So shin an argument. I guess shin modulus that said is r. R is modulus. Argument is the degree. Okay, I guess shin the dirsha. Find the modulus of said and the argument of a set. And use a protractor to write to my 30 degrees. Tiny shad 90 Wellington circle egg 2. Which is okay again. So are the diagram of shop. So rud the unit to write to my 30 degrees let the set square or let BJ tuggle protractor. So we just got a linear kernel. So write to my 30 degrees in shen. And then to the goal of feed boxes. So the hand box is 2 centimeters. So just tosh a centimeter. Like a shin the punch in shen. So shin the set. Okay, I guess you need jant. I guess you know the question. Argument 30 degrees or cosmla do. It's an okay again. Okay, right. Flip partiella. Plot k said on the Argand diagram where k is equal to 2. Right, so with the k cosmla do, so j to me genu do me the first set. J Harlan made me do first set. We increase by we're twice to me genu yeah where nice small so behardin holomar yeah centimeter behardin holomar yeah centimeter ella to reach to the weak shot like a punches in a sin. So sin dá set. Yn sin céal dan na ni? Yeah. Conny cefni set, dá set, right to má made cefna. Okay, now, then obair a hash branch ar the graph, then dodge obair a hash branch. You high just, well, branch a marking scheme to make just let you away with full marks lay hash branch or argand diagram gun obair a B hash branch. But the mogul say obair a hash branch for your shot. So this makes your shot, right? So set cosmla square root 3 plus I. So that's equal to dá set. So the dá set cosmla 2 square root 3 plus dá I. Okay? And then to the just plot action or the graph. So to go suskaji dá, lína trasna obviously, an argument still got away with the The argument will always be square root 3. Was it okay again? Yeah? Right. Hit partially. This question continues on the next page. Right. What the W cosmla I medifa set. Find the argument of W. So to make the argument of W, I guess a modulus of W. Right. So can you make it? Micha, get this in the venue do. Yeah. So it is Tashi to W cosmla I immediately for square root 3 plus I, which the cosmla square root 3I plus I squared. So it is the shin cosmla Luigi plus square root 3I. So shin W. Luigi plus square root 3I. Okay, now it is kind an argument elderson. So it is turn sketch. Okay, so it is to me call a ma egg. PG an angle and sent to me call Luigi I to me call Sweskuji square root 3. So shin square root 3. Okay, it is to me quite an argument. So shin the argument. Because shin the argument. Okay, now it is goes at right angle triangle to me able to a conchon shot to me able to R obruma headway. Now reach Bahagmu R it is cosmla dot, but it is Yanamaja. So you to square root 3 Luigi so shin so task equal R squared cosmla square root 3 squared moji squared, so to R squared cosmla K R cosmla dot. So reach an argument W cosmla dot. I guess it is to me quite an Ellen. Now to Ellen Chancha, so Karmisha alpha, so to tan alpha cosmla square root 3 is going to heen. Okay, so the tan alpha cosmla square root 3 is going to heen. So alpha cosmla shaska, I take your shaska degrees or hard of it. Okay, now so therefore the theta is cosmla k darpa degrees minus shaska degrees, which is the cosmla k to feet degrees. Okay, so it is which the cosmla argument W 120 degrees. We're on the new lesson. Yeah. Now, can they have mention or the diagram? So reach or the diagram. My way to draw the be for IG Harlan on complex number. Then you be add density. It's an anti-clockwise rotation by 90 degrees. Can you go and come yourself? So reach with this turn shot W nest to the call none minus heen to call Sweskuji square root 3, which the extra shot. So really lay harrent. Just right to a shaska came, which is 90 degrees. Ruler book you sorry, so to let the ruler go at 90 degrees. Go at 90 degrees, I guess in the square root 3. Or in the W. Okay, it's reached Bahag Mission 100 and so 90 plus 30 in case of 8 degrees. Which is okay again. Okay, so find that, plot the same on argon diagram. Now, find a set W. So upper set W nash I guess it reached current argon diagram. Okay, right, so set W. Cosmla square root 3 plus I made the fat Luigi plus square root 3I. So medition them all. Square root 3 for Luigi you to Luigi square root 3. Square root 3 for square root 3 you to 3I. I for luja hin you to luja I agus I for I you to plus square root 3I squared. So frigere you to minus square root 3 plus do I minus square root 3. Because it reached I squared equals minus 1. Okay, so it reached frigere you to minus do square root of 3 because the bar check 1 plus 2I. I guess shouldn't have said W. Minus 2 square root of 3 plus 2I. Okay, now it reached in the diagram that the mid complex number that we call minus 2 square root of 3. So run to the really unit to the latter fortune right to the cursus to the goal of balance in a sense. So said maybe for W. So to go Swiss. So we got minus 2 square root of 3 to my challenge shot. Now or plus the we got right, so plus 2I. So the 2I in shot 0 minus 2 square root of 3 roughly. Minus 3 punch a quick roughly. So to make roughly 0.5% la luce plus do I so it can graph galuntion. Okay, so shende it said W. Oh sorry. Just plot out just plot out the set. So to the goal non G roughly minus 3.5 so G 2I. Okay. So shende said W. Is it okay listen? Part journal find is said to the power of 12. So shende kiss journal as find is said to the power of 12. Now said to the power of 12 equals the least of the set square root 3 plus I to the power of 12. Okay, now with these Coimpleasc add G is already open. So the shin cosma 2 cos pi over 6 plus I sine pi over 6. Okay, to the power of 12. Or 1 to the power of 12. So said cosma shin. So said to the power of 12 to shin to the power of 12. Okay, so the shin cosma 2 to the power of 12, which is massive. Christ. Okay. Cos that 2 pi, because it is do yig for pi, shin is going to share, so shin 2 pi plus I sine 2 pi. So the shin cosma now to 2 to the power of 12. 1096. 4096. Now J cost of 2 pi. And he in the way. Zero and that's it in rate just by cost of 360. Because the degrees so what? Cost 360 is 1. Maybe? Yeah, so you to 1 plus 0I. So frigre 4096. Okay, this sooner there's just find said to the top and you're a plotter. Okay, so frigre is 4096. So to said the power of 12 got my 4096 plus 0 plus 0I. Now, J he's with the question. Alright, tricky as you go on. Right, so you can take that yet. And we can wine a little. Sample 2, paper 2. Right, so you get engineering us. Shadis and Leo. Your money smaller. Just bring my forces.